This is my 2014 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the vehicle. It is race red with over-the-top white stripes. The car has the performance package, the track package. It's fully optioned. As you can see up there, it has the glass roof and not too many mods, but just the basics: tune, intake, throttle body. Because in my mind, the car is perfect as it is from the factory. There you go with the glass roof. What you don't see, first of all, is the car is fully paint protection filmed with Xpel Ultimate Fusion paint protection. The whole car is covered. Also, what you're not going to see is the Exoshield windshield protection film, again to protect against rocks, chips, damage. On the front here, you see the license plate is held with a Craig's custom mountain plate bracket, so there's no drilling on the body. The brake pads are Power Stop Extreme brake pads, low dust. The tires are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's in the stock size. The car has also JLT mud flaps on the front and the rear. Here is the Ford Racing mufflers. They're made by Borla. I had these on my old Shelby. I decided to put it on this one too because I think these are the best sounding in my opinion. Again, paint protection film everywhere. Paint protection film. Also, there's an Exoshield covering, protecting the windshield from rock damage. Let's take a look on the passenger side. As you can see, pretty much stock GT500. I've got some WeatherTech floor mats in here. Also have some mats, some seat covers. Red Shelby shift knob. The interior has the Shaker Pro with navigation, the electronics package. Glass roof. No rock chips, no dings. Car is in excellent shape. I've had this car for close to a year now. I bought it from a gentleman in Pennsylvania, a collector. Driver's side. There are the adjustable shocks and steering with the performance package. Car only has 2293 miles. Let's take a look under the hood. First thing you'll notice when you pick up the hood, no prop rod. I have the Shelby Redline Quick Elite hood lift kit right here. You'll also notice the Shelby remote clutch reservoir and a Moroso brake reservoir cover with a Shelby cap, Ford Racing 65mm throttle body, JLT 127mm carbon fiber intake, also a JLT catch can on both the passenger and driver side, Shelby coolant cover caps, Shelby washer fluid cap, Shelby engine oil cap, and also a Shelby fuse box cap cover. Besides these simple mods, car's pretty much stock. It's all tied together with an excellent tune from JDM. JDM's been tuning these cars for years, and they're the only people I trust. They've also tuned my Raptor and my Mr. Chromes. JDM builds these motors. They build them, they race them. I trust the tune. Anybody in the Mustang world, the Ford world, they know JDM. Shelby dipstick, oil dipstick. Take a couple of looks around the engine bay there. As you can see, very clean. Very clean. Basically no dirt in there. Prior owner never drove it in the rain. I never drove it in the rain. And you could tell, you look in there, extremely clean. Original battery still there. Hood liner's in excellent shape. See what you see in there. Again, very nice, very clean. Let me see if I can get some shots of the underside of the car so you can see. Again, like I said, you'll not be able to see much, but it's very clean under there. Recently changed the oil. I use a Ford Racing oil filter and AMS oil. Very clean under the car, very clean underside. The sign of a track pack car, one of the signs. You see there are still tags on the sway bar. Very clean. These are the Performance Pack wheels, again with the Michelin Pilot Sports. Some more pictures of the suspension. Underside of the car, again, very clean. Still has the tags. Inside, 2293 miles, and this is the glass roof. Let's take a look inside. Very nice, very rare option. Take a quick look in the trunk. I PPF'd here also. I've seen some delaminate, so I protected that. Inside the trunk, there's the subwoofer to show the shaker system. Here is the Ford car cover, and this right here is the Shelby car cover, the red one from Shelby America. Very clean in here, very nice. Again, the prior owner took care of it. Again, PPF'd all the way through. Let's do one last walk around, and then we're done. All right, everybody, thank you for watching my video, and thank you for checking out my car. Have a great day.